Let me get y'all really good up close because I just really feel like I ate this up. For real. Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Kirsten and today we are doing a pink Valentine's Day look. I'm gonna do 14 looks, y'all, starting today up until the 14th, which is obviously Valentine's Day. I'm gonna do 14 different looks. Oh, and by the way, the looks will not all be full glams. There are gonna be some that are actually like I guess date appropriate, or I feel like this is date appropriate. But this is a lot for a lot of people, so I'm gonna do some that are like, you know, soft glams or like little to no makeup, you know, just something soft. I'm gonna do a little bit of everything. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and go ahead and keep watching. I'm gonna take my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Mocha, and that's gonna be my base. Then I'm gonna set my base with the One Side translucent powder. Alright, after we set our base, I'm gonna take a very well-known palette, the Warrior by Juvia's Place. And I'm gonna take this light brown, and that's gonna be the color I'm putting in my crease. And this brush, I don't know if I really care, but it is a M433 from Morphe. I'm cutting my crease with this e.l.f. concealer. It's the matte one. It's called Fair Warm. Well, y'all, we just had almost a failed video because I put that matte concealer on my eyelids and I didn't even realize I hadn't picked out the shades of pink that I was going to use yet. So by the time I discovered what palettes to grab, my base was dry. I feel like my colors, I mean, they still showed up. They're definitely not showing how I want them to, but I got to do some more blending. Kind of showing ombre, kind of not my favorite, but I'm going to show myself some grace because it has been a while since I've sat down and really worked with some eyeshadow on myself. I'm gonna just add like some rhinestones and some pearls like randomly along where I cut my crease, and I'm applying that with some Duo lash glue. My lashes are from Amazon. I love these lashes. They look just like how my extensions look, and they're spiky. I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown face base, and I'm gonna add a little bit of this because I already have a moisturizer. That's actually a lot. Really want to make sure under your eyes are moisturized really good. I'm gonna use my One Side Secure the Blur. Y'all know this stuff. Even though I just said I like a dewy finish, I like this because it gets rid of all like the lines that I have, so like under my eyes, my creases, and I do have like a natural like smile line on this side. This stuff really helps hide that. So I'm not gonna use foundation. I recently have just not been using foundation because it's kind of pointless. This is in the shade Sand, and I just like to use this one as a highlight under my eyes. I will honestly say this routine works best though if you have little to no blemishes on your skin. My skin is not perfect. Definitely do have some blemishes, but they aren't bad. Then I'm gonna take my Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Carob. And then I'm gonna do my chin. If you want to take yours, I probably should. Hey, I'm talking about if I want to. I'm weak. Yeah, just go ahead and take care of that too. I'm talking about if you want, baby. That's a need at this point. Okay. Then for down here underneath, because there's no makeup here, you could just take a little bit of concealer and just use that to clean up your contour, and it will blend it on down. Y'all see what I did? I know it looked like it's probably heavy, but I promise it's not. Like, I can't even feel this on my face. Something else I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if I got a pink blush. I'm gonna use my is it Made by Mitchell? My curve case. And this one is I don't know which shade this one is. But these are the colors that are in it. I'm gonna use Sweet Cheeks, which is that pink one out of here. Am I doing too much? Possibly. The last step I'm gonna do before I start to set is I'm gonna cream contour my nose. I'm gonna use that same Carob concealer on my M506. Yeah, I would never know. I didn't use foundation. But once it's blended out, I'm gonna take my powder. I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place bronzer in dark, and I've used the lightest shade in this palette, as you can clearly see, because I about don't have no more. I'm gonna take my volume 4 from Juvia's Place. This is the pink palette that has these 2 shades of pink. Absolutely love them. I'm gonna take the darkest one. Then for the under eye, I'm trying to see, do I want to do black eyeliner or do I want to just do pink? Because for some reason I'd be so scared to do other colors under my eye. I think I'm gonna do black, and then I'm gonna do like a really like deep, or like I guess fuchsia pink. Alright, I'm about to put on some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational in the shade Cosmic Black. And I love that this stuff is not hard to get off. I just bought this recently. And it's so easy to get off, because I hate a mascara where you really got to sit up and like scrub your eyes, because who really got time to do all of that? This is my lip. This is Downtown Beauty by NYX. And I thought I was grabbing the brown, but let's see. And then for the actual lip color, I'm going to take Loyalist by Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. It's the number 5. And I'm going to use a lip one because I did steal this off my client shelf. Not gonna lie. Last thing we're going to do before we set is go in with our ABH. I think this is called like Peach Fizz, because I almost said fuzz. Peach Fizz by ABH. It's like a little pink rose gold-ish highlighter. Alright y'all, so you have made it to the end of today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like I said, make sure you subscribe, that way you won't miss any of the 14 looks I'm going to post. I can't believe I'm really doing 14 looks, y'all. That's a lot of work, because I didn't get a head start at all. Like, today's the 31st and my first look got to go tomorrow. Make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all like, and yeah, hopefully I will come back to see the rest of this series.